Wait, hang on.
What are you doing?
I'm drawing in three-dimensional space,
So the garage
and then
program
turning
wrote
it,
all of the puzzles.
and then drawing in more three-dimensional space.
Are you?
Okay, that makes more sense now.
Is it as joyous as it seems? Because you have a big smile on your face.
Yes.
There are some like like number well.
Hey, you guys. You see those? There's some birds out there. They got loose. Yeah, those are from that table over there. Oh yeah. I told you, man. This is some spooky head game. Why do you think we're on the 7th floor? What the heck are you doing?
I'm mixing some colors.
You're mixing colors.
Yeah, that's cool. I
Okay.
have custom colors. My custom ink has been added to the drawings.
So this is the elephant. And the IR dots are here for how it's reading. Can you just extend the arm a little bit, Kat? As we get a sense of how that whole thing works. So, do you guys get how the information is becoming analog to digital with those IR dots? Yeah. It's really interesting to see how that technology is driving this.
Like, who are the
I'm just
people?
really excited about I'm drawing in 3D.
Oh, it's